Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. So this is a follow-up to my rings to make and sell video. My video quality has improved a bit since I posted that video a few years ago, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to make it. So what you're going to need for this project are your tools. I have flat pliers, cutters, round pliers, and a ring cone. You can also use a marker if you want. I'm going to use 18 gauge for the base and 20 gauge to attach the bead. You can also use 22 gauge and even get away with 24 gauge. So it's pretty simple. You just take the 18 gauge wire and you wind it around the ring cone at about the size that you want. And then what you're going to do first is make sure one of your ends here is cut flush. And we're going to take our round pliers and just hold the end with our round pliers and then just turn it around. So just make a loop, okay, all the way around. Make a closed loop like that, and then we're just going to take this and then just bend it out. So we've got one loop there. And then leave allowance for the bead, and then what you want to do on this side is we're actually going to bend it to the opposite side. So that one's bent that way, this one's going to go the other way, and then we're going to form the loop again on this side and try to make them the same size as much as you can. So just bring this one in so we have like our two loops. So then from there we want to just clip this one flush with our little nippers. And then we have these that are more or less the same, and we just want to press it down so the wire is flat and not scratchy. And this is the same here. You just want to like bring it in so it's flat, and then at that point you can put it back on the ring cone. So we're just going to put it back on the cone to straighten it out. And then we want to get our thinner wire, say 20 or 22 gauge, and our 6mm, or you can use an 8mm bead or even a 4mm. So put it in the center of the wire and bend it down on either side so it looks like that. And then what you want to do is take your ring and you want to push this one in each hole, but wherever the bend is, that's the side that you want the wire to come out on. And this one too. So that one's going one way, and then this one comes the other way. It just gives it a little bit of, you know, balance when you have one to either side rather than them both on the same side. This is going to get pushed right down in there, and then this one is going to bend to one side, and then this one hold it in place and bends to the other side so that it's nice and snug in there. And then we're going to take this one and bend it around a few times. So just take your flat pliers, it's going to be easier. I like to do it 3 times, so whatever you like the look of. So we're just going to go down there, and then this one too. So we're just going to go around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is just craft wire from Michaels, but you can use non-tarnished copper, you can use brass, you can use sterling. I like Argentine silver actually. It tarnishes less than sterling silver, so we're going to go like that. And then what you have to do now is just tighten up these ends. So you take this one, give it a little turn. If you need to pinch that in a bit, you can just pinch it in a little bit there, and then take this one and flick of the wrist, give it a little turn. That just tightens it up. Don't tighten it too much, you don't want it to snap. You put it back on the ring cone, and there you have your beautiful simple ring to make and sell. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you want to sign up below, I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.